Hello viewers, long time no see. What if I told you that the way you have been saving research is completely broken? Think about it. You have got notes scattered across tabs, bookmarks you will never visit, and highlights buried in apps you forgot you installed. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. I have spent the last few weeks going deep on AI, and I'm not talking about the hype. I'm talking about a genuine inflection point. The moment AI stops being a cool toy and starts doing actual work for you. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a system that automatically organizes everything you research using 100% free tools. No subscriptions, no credit card, nothing. We are combining the free version of Cloud with Notion's unlimited free database. And the result is a research system so clean, so searchable, so automated, you are going to wonder how you ever live without it. And here's the part that genuinely blew my mind when I first set this up. Once it's configured, you can do research from anywhere on your phone, sitting in a cafe, on the train, waiting in a queue. Just pull up Cloud on your mobile, do your research, and simply ask Cloud to update your database. It does it automatically. Your Notion database gets updated in real time, perfectly structured, ready to search without you ever touching a laptop. That's the kind of freedom this system will give you. I'll be walking through this as a stock trader, showing you how every piece of research gets captured, structured, and stored the moment you are done, ready to query whenever you need it. This is actually my first AI automation video. I'm very late into it, but it's better late than nothing. This is the beginning of a whole new chapter. So if you are not subscribed yet, hit that button right now because the videos I am going to make are going to completely change how you work. Alright, let's build this thing. There are two prerequisites that you need for this project. One is the Windows version or Mac's version of the Cloud. Download it to your laptop and install it. Create a new account with Claude if you haven't created one already. The second prerequisite is you need to get Notion. Right? Go to the notion.com website and get Notion for free. Then log into Notion. After that, go to Cloud on your desktop, on your laptop or desktop. Just simply start a new chat. Click on plus button at the chat area. Go to add connectors. Then find Notion. Then click the plus button to connect. It will ask you whether you want to continue to connect. Click on continue. Then it will ask you whether to open Cloud. Click on open Cloud. So if you click on add fast connectors, go to connectors, you can see Notion here already enabled. So what you do next is create a database in Notion using Cloud to help you. All right, so I'm asking it to create a new database in Notion, name it ASX stocks, and then add these columns in this order. Date added, stock name, stock code, business, share price, and market cap in millions. So over here,
You can change it to your own table name based on your research, and then add whatever columns that you need. Then you click on submit. So now it's saying that the database has been created. So you go back to your Notion. You can see AS stocks now has been created in your database. There's nothing yet. Over here, you will need to rearrange the column because Cloud at this moment of time, it couldn't arrange the column names properly as per your request in your chat. So just arrange it by dragging the column names. Go back to Cloud now. All right. So you can do your research in the chat. This is a simple prompt. You will go to the web and research the Telstra shares for you. Note that I have clicked on extended thinking, so it's taking a bit more time. It's a so you can either disable or enable it. If you enable it, it will take longer to research for you. So now it's asking you whether you want to add Telstra. Right? If you want to add it, prompt it to add. So you will say yes for now. So you go back to the Notion. You can now see your research in the database. You can also use your phone to add rows into the database. So just use your phone and go back to the same chat, right? And do your research and then update to your database. So all these are free for now. Hopefully it will be free in the foreseeable future. If you have any questions, please put in the comment. I will try to make a video to answer your questions. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.